François Gérard Georges Nicolas Hollande, born 12 August 1954, is a French politician who served as President of France and ex officio Co-Prince of Andorra from 2012 to 2017. He previously was First Secretary of the Socialist Party from 1997 to 2008, Mayor of Tulle from 2001 to 2008 and President of the General Council of Corrèze from 2008 to 2012. Hollande also served in the National Assembly twice for the first constituency of Corrèze from 1988 to 1993 and again from 1997 until 2012. Born in Rouen and raised in Neuilly-sur-Seine, Hollande began his political career as a special advisor to newly elected President François Mitterrand before serving as a staffer for Max Gallo, the government's spokesman. He became a member of the National Assembly in 1988 and was elected First Secretary of the Socialist Party in 1997. Following the 2004 regional elections won by the Socialists, Hollande was cited as a potential presidential candidate but resigned as First Secretary and was immediately elected to replace Jean-Pierre Dupont as President of the General Council of Corrèze in 2008. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.